How do we know something's ethical or not? What do we lean on now?
The unique sales proposition, the USP. Find out what differentiates your product, your service from all others. Then highlight that in the way that you advertise it.
This is a gift. This is the gift of I remember what you said and I'm still thinking about you. I send articles to people all the time. Even if I know they get that publication and they're going to read it, they're not thinking I wrote the article. They're going to think, oh, you're still thinking about us.
Do you know that because of the rule for reciprocity, if you disclose something about yourself to another person, they feel obligated to disclose something about them? And then that allows you to have a conversation with them about that thing. And what you get as a result is increased sense of unity because you have collaborated with one another on this process. So that's a small thing you can do.